had a good day today, Oleg.
Very good. Thank you very much. Gemini 4.
Gemini 4. Well, we had a nice day today. We got a lot of sea bass. We got a lot of dogfish, sharks, everything. Coming up to Gemini 4.
Too much.
Too many sharks, Oleg.
Too many sharks.
You want to go up on a boat, Oleg? Oleg's going up now. He's thinking of driving the boat. It's our new captain. We had a nice day. Here we are, August 25th, 1993. 85 miles offshore in the Hudson Canyon. Along with us, we have Albert Mizrahi. We have Captain Richie Bianchi. We got Freddie. And we're trolling, and it's now 7:25 p.m. We're trolling before we go night chunking. Sun is setting, it's a beautiful scene. And we also have the pilot, Eddie Cohen.
How are you, sir?
Very good. We're going flying tomorrow.
We definitely are.
After work.
Fly with the seat of your pants.
What a beautiful night it is. Setting up all the rods. We got 8 rods out. Hoping we get a strike before dark. We have the moon here on this side by the outriggers. And you go towards the west and you see the sun setting. We're trying for that elusive big eye. The moon. There's our radar. We got Richie Jr. with us today, and also we got a treat. We got a big eye running after, and Captain John. Yes, sir. We got Captain John tonight with us.
Catch him up. We just got here. There's the sunset.
There it is. There it is.
Look.
1:30 in the morning. After 5 hours. Eddie Cohen's on that fish. Big Eddie. And we're trying to gaff it.
Ah, shit! I had it in him, and then he fucking went.
Let's get another one. Let's get another one.
I can't believe it. That fish was about.
Fish on over here. 7 o'clock in the morning the next day.
What do you got on here? You're gonna back up. How heavy is it? No, I don't know. It's one of them ones.
We got Captain Richard Bianchi from the Brighton Beach Police Department. There we go. Hey, another tuna.
Another tuna.
Nice gap.
They love them purples.
Call you one knife here, Fred.
He wasn't getting off, Fred. Them double hooks. That would be hooked up by that.
By the buoy there. Okay, Rich, not bad.
Stuff like that. Forget any big fish. You know what I mean? You never lose them with a dart.
He's got a dart here.
Yeah, it's long though.
We got another hookup, and Eddie Cohen's on it.
Enjoy your fish.
Enjoy your fish. It's a little more difficult than flying, huh, Eddie? It's a little harder. More exercise. That's our 4th one this morning.
But we didn't get him in the boat yet.
Right. Take a look up here, Eddie. Take a look up here, Eddie. We got to get you on a film. We got you.
We got a long morning yet, so take it easy.
Hold on.
Double line, color.
You're gonna hit him over there, anyway. Alright, he's up on top.
He's up on top, this fish.
He's not hooked good either. He's not hooked good.
We got him.
Oh!
Oh!
That mouth is all ripped in, it's all ripped. No. It's supposed to hit him.
There's another one, number 4.
Let him leave, no, let him leave.
Hey, that's the second one on that purple.
Leave him there, leave him there.
Right there.
Come on, reel, turn the handle.
I got more purple, John.
We got Albert on a fish now. The man who says he knows all about fishes don't even know how to reel in a fish yet.
Come on, turn the handle, let's go.
How's average, Junior? Nice fish.
Over on the east, and now we just come up on the west here.
Double line.
Like 88, something like that.
That's a yellowfin, ain't it?
Yeah,
I don't know, it might be, it looks like it.
Alright, let's go through it on. Alright.
Nah, longfin.
Another one.
A little bigger though, huh?
Want to grab this bottle?
Holstein's got another one. And Richie got another one. That's number 7, number 8.
Eddie from Eddie's Hardware in Brooklyn.
Right, Century Hardware. Yes, we can.
Oh, Century Hardware in Brooklyn.
Yes, we can.
Next time she wants to exchange the fan, exchange it for her. Any color yet?
Here he is.
There we go. Yup.
We see color.
Take it in, John. Take it in.
Double
That
line.
looks like yellowfin, don't it?
Take it in, John. Take it in.
Big, wow.
He got him hooked good.
You got him?
He didn't have him.
Whoa. Nice. Oh, that's a big long fin. Hey, Eddie.
That's right.
Look at that, Eddie. Come up here, boy.
Bigger fish, I knew it.
All right.
Nice shot, Eddie. Take a look up here. Very good. Big yellow fin. I mean, long fin.
Long, it's okay.
Wow, that's a big one.
71 pounds.
Well, I gotta hit him, you gotta hit, you gotta eat the hit.
State record was 71.6.
Yellowfish,
How we doing there, Bianchi?
okay.
It's number 7.
Number 8.
Right here.
Looks good from here, Joe.
I already stopped.
Thank you. You put a power on that boat. More weight, more money, more aggravation. I got all the counter power, so all the powers you want.
I see color.
5 wood!
Double leader. Double leader
That's a
coming.
big bastard right there.
Yeah.
Another one. Come on.
Fine.
Yo!
All right.
Number 8. Numero 8.
Nice fish there. Hit the purple green machine, eh? They like that.
The hook bit right off like that?
We're gonna
There's a pallet in the water there. We just killed the marlin. I mean, we just killed the dolphins. And there's a marlin chasing the dolphin. And the dolphin jumped right on top of that log. We had a dolphin on, and marlin hit the dolphin and broke the line. We're rigging up now for the marlin.
Dolphin on right here? Here.
Thousands of dolphin here.
Freddie, you want one of these dolphins right
Yeah,
here?
let's just get one of these dolphins, John.
And she's fucking trolling.
He's up to
That's
it.
troll. Troll right there.
Here.
And leave it in
Here.
here.
Put it right on.
We're going to troll now with the dolphin, with a live dolphin. We're going to live line it and go near the pallet and try and get that blue marlin. No! Where, you want to bring it out of the box? Let's see that dolphin.
Get my dolphin.
That's my dolphin.
This is a full dolphin.
That's my dolphin.
Wow! That is big.
Gorgeous.
Hold on. That is a nice one.
All right, John, let's go. Let's go.
All right, John.
Let's go. Come on. Get on the shot. Get the camera. Get the camera rolling.
We hooked the marlin!
Oh man, way to go. It's a big fish.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I put this dolphin on the outside ringer, dragged him by. Get him, Freddie!
No cursing.
Dragged him by, man. He came up like a...
Kick it in. Kick it in.
All right, man. Go Gam, go Gam.
Yeah, this fucking snake!
Get that fish.
Did you see that? Did you get him to bite? You see him bite?
No, I didn't get him biting.
Look, did you get him? Hit it.
We got Freddie fighting this marlin. This guy, he ripped off half of this 80. We have him on an 80 with a 130-pound test, and he just kept going and going. We have to pack into this fish.
Nothing better than that, believe me.
Yeah, like my boss is saying to me, he's going, yeah, right. You got it on the outside ringer, he ain't gonna hit that thing.
Boom!
I says, watch, he's gonna take it now. He comes, swirls out and just swallows it. We free spool, and he swallowed it, man.
Wow!
How big a fish is bigger, John?
No, you
You gotta get the rod
We're
straight.
cooling Freddie down. He's on his fish for a half hour
Put it
now.
on the gun.
We can't even see this
You
fish.
do
He
it,
took
right,
half this
Nicky?
80.
How's that look?
That's better.
That's better. All right.
All right?
Yeah.
Now we gotta tape this.
Yeah, you gotta get the other half of the door.
Where's this tape at?
Coming up. Coming up. 2/3 full still. 2/3 full.
All right.
Here it comes. Coming up.
Coming out.
There he is! Yeah!
Whoa!
Dude, you see him? We got him off, man. Look at him. Wow.
Fucking 500-600 pounds.
You gotta see this thing. Woo!
Is Ted behind you there?
Yeah, he came up and shook his head, man. You gotta see him.
It's a beautiful sight, I know that.
That's it, like that.
You gotta hold the rope all the way back in your hand. All the way back in your right hand.
All the way back here?
Yeah. He's dead right there.
I saw him.
Dick, don't throw it, you know, like that.
Freddie, just take your time.
Just press it.
All right, sir.
Stick him, man, when he gets up.
Even when he's green? Even when he's green, you're going to stick him?
Probably about 30 minutes.
Come on.
Yeah, when
You're going to stick him even when he's green?
Freddie, I'm coming back on him slow. He ain't green. Coming back on him slow. Keep the rod tip up.
Should set, yeah.
Yeah, Freddie, get line.
Give me another glove over there. Take it down. Take it down.
All right.
I seen him.
Here he comes.
I seen him stay. He was.
Here it goes. Here it goes.
We had him right here. Ransom here.
Nobody's getting ready to jump.
He goes like that, sometimes you gotta go after him. I just can't get out of your way, man. He's too unpredictable. I'll leave that down for the next time.
Shaking like crazy.
There he is. He's up top. There he is.
Beautiful fish.
You got him, Freddie.
Up close, man. You got him real close. He's up on top like that, going away from you, trying to back sneak up on him, the dangle in the chest and crank up on him fast enough.
Yeah, Freddie. Crank up on him. What's he going again?
I see him, man.
Who's gonna lead her?
Hey, leave her, man. You ain't never called me.
Yeah, I know. Richie told me about it. It's a different kind of feeling.
Well, if I catch this one,
Take careful aim, slowly. You gotta, just take careful aim.
I'm gonna try.
Then what? The excellent.
ready? Come on.
Slowly,
Slowly, slowly.
Watch with the control, man.
I got it.
Let it stay there, man.
Keep beat, man.
Don't speed. Don't do nothing fucking stupid.
I'm
Real
not doing
quick.
nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Come on, Freddie. Real. A little closer.
We're working. It's right by the boat now.
Back
right
up
by
a
the...
little now. Hold it. Real, Freddie. No, real. Yeah? Stay
John's
there,
there.
man. You don't
All right,
do
I got
nothing.
it. I got it.
Please.
Tell me what you want me to do.
Man, one time.
Are we turning one more?
Real. Get the right tip off.
Spin it.
No, don't do nothing. Yeah. Go forward on the right side. Hold it. It's right here. Ease him up. Right?
Turn him.
Yeah, a little bit. Hold there. Oh man, he's just out of my reach.
Yeah, big John, he was out of your reach. Only he was trying, man.
Big.
Big.
No, I gotta go there.
Real, Freddie. Come on, turn the boat. Real. Get real on it, Freddie. No, you're fine. Real on it. Back up, Bianchi. Back up. Turn the boat. Here he goes, with me.
He's going.
Turn the yellow. Fuck.
Got him on middle. Wow. Trying to get away.
Get him on my side.
Swinging.
Yeah.
Fish is trying to swim away from us.
Yep.
Back up on it. Real
There he
quick.
goes.
Back up on it, Bianchi. Get the fucking corner over here with the fish. Yeah, I ain't gonna go the way. Jump the way. Yeah. Turn the corner. Turn it.
Get on the other side.
I gotta get a rip.
I'm turning.
Stay there.
Watch the outrigger.
No, come
That
on.
boat's gotta go top.
Get him up.
You gotta get the rope over top. Hold it over there. No, you can't. It's gotta stay down there. Rope right behind these arms, okay? You gotta stay there. You gotta stay there.
Turn the chair to the boat. Good.
Oh, I'm going in. A little bit more.
No, you can't.
Over here. Turn the boat. Turn the boat.
Turn the boat, yeah, turn the boat.
Hold on, John. Let him get closer.
Hit the rock, Freddie. Real. Real, Freddie.
Closer.
Freddie, real.
I'm up, John. I'm up to tell you they can go.
John, no, I'm not.
Take, watch your head.
Come on, Dickie, with the fucking spin. Right there. Surround him. Reel him right up, Freddie.
Okay.
Round it,
Turn me, Rich.
Yeah.
No cursing. No cursing.
Keep his head up. Lift him.
A little bit closer.
Lift him. Come on, Dickie. Back it to him. Back it to him, Dickie. I got him. Good. Turn the chair. I got them motherfucker.
Hang on, Johnny. We got him.
Watch the rope, John, watch your legs.
Tie off. Watch your legs.
Tie
Turn
off.
the chair. Get the boat going. Spin the boat. Spin hard.
Fucking
Spin hard.
boat. Come on, you
Hard,
motherfucker.
Spin.
All right, it's the end, John. Oh, he ain't gonna hold. The
Watch
rope's
your head,
breaking.
Johnny. Here he is.
We pulled the door.
What? Fuck. The rope's ready to break, too.
Still on?
Yeah.
Here he goes. Back. I gotta get the door again.
All right.
Get him real, Fred. Hold him. He's too deep now. Gotta reel him up, Freddie.
John, how long's the leader? Turn.
Hold it. Stop, Dickie. Stop, Dickie.
All right. How long's the leader, John?
Bleeding out. He's dying. He's fucking bleeding out. That's his hold him off here. All right, got him up. Get the rod tube up and back up, Dick.
Don't take time when I lift the rod up.
That's okay. Back up, Dick. You get him high, Freddie. I can stick him. Hold it, Dick. Hold. Hold it. Take your time.
Yo, watch that fucking rope in the camera.
And I had to put a new battery. Here's my baby, Blue Marlin. I'm sorry to tell you, Freddie, but I got to put my name in it that caught it.
All you. It's all you.
And I held him.
But we'll let you pay for the mount.
What the hell?
That's fair.
And I thought Big John had some strength. Look at him. Look at him.
Still kicking too, John.
Week out. This big 563-pound Blue Marlin
Why don't we just tow him all?
caught on a live
Nuts,
dolphin.
and we just start towing.
Freddie.
Not if you tie him off in the front and the back.
That was great, Freddie.
You hurt me.
Let's try again.
I'm sure he did.
You hurt me bad.
But you heard him too. Eddie, what do you think of this trip, Eddie?
I still say it's that hook.
What do you think of this trip?
Can anybody take the hook down?
Almost as good as landing and taking off.
You just take the fly, bro.
Take the flyer out and get it in his mouth.
We're trying to get it through the transom door, but the flying gap is stuck on the rear transom, and it's a half hour now. We can't even bring this
That's all I can give you.
fish in a boat.
No, you don't have barbs and barbs in there.
Barbs in the wood.
No, it's in the fish. So the barbs not coming out. No, where's the
Oh.
other guy at? Come on.
You look at the size of this thing here. Awesome, awesome. We can't even get him into the boat. It took us almost as much time to bring it through that transom as to fish him.
He's worse that way, right?
Ready? All right, you ready? Let's go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, I'm stuck. I stopped you that one.
That's it.
Lift them up, lift them up, lift the back up.
We have to lean like that, Snake.
You can go that way more, yeah?
All right. We got
We can just close this top part. We're good.
All right, we're good.
What do you think about John now, Mr. Albert?
That's good.
Let's see. We might be able to. Is he good? Hey, hey.
Tell him guys we got him in.
Who fish you think he is?
5.5.
Another rope around the front of him.
I never called it.
Eddie Cohen,
Yes.
you have any comments to make about this little tiny fish?
I don't believe it. Whoa! Unreal. You gotta get me down there, baby.
I understand. I've been there.
Hey, you know, I got to get in there too.
What do you make with that?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's Sookie with a world record. A world record. Marlin. Look at the size of that Marlin, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't even fit the boat. It's over 12 to 14 feet. Albert, how you doing, Albert? You nailed them.
Everybody smile.
Move the chair. Move the chair. Move the chair away. That is a prehistoric, unreal fish. Made the whole year, ladies and gentlemen. The whole year. We're going in now to Brielle or Hoffman Marina to weigh him in. And ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you something. This is unbelievable. One of the best fishes I've ever seen. The biggest fishes I've ever seen, ladies and gentlemen. We're going now. We'll be back in about 3 hours. You can see the fish. It won't even fit in the boat. We have to ride with the door open.
Eddie Cohen, what a day we had today. We got tuna, we got dolphin. Tuna, dolphin, and look at the fish. Look at that, 650-pound blue marlin. Whoa, what a fish, caught on a Gemini 4 in the Hudson Canyon. What a fish. Yes, sir. Eddie, we're back home. Eddie, we're home safe. Big fish. Maybe 700.
right, go.
Zuki, can you believe that?
No. I'll tell you, giant fish.
Giant fish.
Big marlin.
Wow.
Hold it, Eddie.
That is one small fish. Careful. Hey, I'll watch it, Jeff.
I'll get you there solo.
All of us should get in there. Why don't we all get in there? Let one of the guys stay here.
Yeah, all right.
Work on the dock. Look, you get in there. Yeah, somebody get a picture of all of us. Yeah, get all of us in there. Come on.
I videotaped before.
Okay, then load it up.
John, you gotta into dry, just take one hit out. Press that down.
Hey,
Where's the
Snake,
weight? Where's the show to
I
weight?
want to choke the smoked marlin, all right?
You got it, dude. You can't get, how do you get him in there, though?
You gotta walk back. You gotta come back.
Walk
here.
back.
I am up there.
Oh, is it, hold on 1 second, John. It's not open all the way.
Once we give them four, we get down.
That's good. That's good.
Thanks a lot.
Hey guys, you gotta look at us.
Okay.
You're gonna have.
You can back on now.
I don't know how you're gonna weigh him.
You didn't hold the pressure.
Rewinding? Rewinding, that's what it is. Hear it? Oh, it's
We'll get it.
I'm dead.
I can get off the gas thing. Get off.
You know, Jesus is alive and well, living in the...
Yeah. Oh, I see. I go to shows. I did the most fun.
They got to the newspaper. The whole group should be in on that. We all did it.
Daddy, look at that. The moose.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Daddy, look at that over there. Daddy, what's going through the bridge?
Hey.
Still got film?
Oh, I don't know.
That means you really had a shot. If I take a shot of you, it won't come out.
They might come up. They come up and trying to tire.
Working their ass off.
You know how hard it was to be to tail that thing?
The rope, we made a lasso, maybe 3 feet long. I couldn't fit around the tail.
Tell them who did that nice hoop.
This is the balance of the fish that we caught. Some of the dolphins, some of the northern tunas. We had quite a bit besides this big baby. I would say a nice trip. Well, it's 8:30 at night, and we're out here sharking. We left port at 6 o'clock this morning, went wreck fishing, caught some codfish, some pollock, some ling, and now we trolled. We got a couple of tuna. Here's the one tuna head we're using for shark bait. We're looking for that elusive mako. You believe this is what we're using for bait? There's Timmy setting it all up. He's looking for that 368 pounds. 2 hooks in this one.
So big.
The moon is out. It's just about getting dark. There's Old Salty 2, Barry Goldman. He's chunking tonight.
Not gonna catch anything.
He's trying for the elusive tuna. There's a commercial. One of those draggers hanging around here. There we go. One hook in the mouth of the tuna head. This is the head of a 65-pound tuna. That's what we're using for bait for that big mako. Oh, does that look appetizing?
You can't miss.
Oh. There it is, it's over. Here he is.
Good shot. Where'd he go? Get that on video?
I don't believe this. Where is he? Wow.
No, you leave that thing alone.
You don't want to catch a blue shark, right?
I got no hook in it, right?
No, I mean, just like in the movies.
You got a little taste of it now. Uh-oh.
Wow. What a scene.
Ikey, what do you think about this one?
Look at this shark. Look at this shark. Isaac, look at him. Look at him. We're playing with this shark. It's a big blue shark.
You can grab him, Mike.
Huh?
You can grab him.
Wow. Well, who's that?
How do you get on the boat?
I'm gonna give you a hand.
You're gonna give me
Timmy, this is our charter for today, Timmy.
Just step down right there. There's a step. There you go. Don't be afraid.
Oh boy,
Don't be afraid.
look at this.
There you go. Step down.
Oh, look at this. Hi. Grandpa, you have to take off our shoes.
Wait a minute. Wait, I can't go in there
You
yet.
hold my hand. Jump down.
Wait, don't come in.
Say hello to Timmy, girls.
Hi, Timmy.
How you
Hi,
doing?
Timmy. Hi, Timmy.
Hi, Timmy. And that's Captain John. Everybody say hello to Captain John.
Hi, Captain John. Where is he? Up there.
Grab one zippy.
No, step on that thing.
What is
Take us out for a boat ride.
You didn't tell me this was gonna be a workout. Hold on to the post.
But I mean, that's just too hard.
But it's my turn to go on the boat. Can you stop filming?
Hey, how you doing?
like roses. There's all French in every boat.
Alice, pretty little girl.
Well, it's a little tiny book. Yeah, I know. Like these are. I want a nap
I
already.
want to hear you sing happy birthday loud.
That one.
We got two people that have a birthday today. Somebody else's birthday. Sarah David.
It's like roses. Well, there is.
Oh my goodness, I got this one on film.
I told you to not film me.
Yeah, but it's too far for me, John. I'll pull it. I'm going to fight.
John, would you back the photo up? This old lady.
Now, really? Wait, what's your lady?
Me.
You yourself. Okay, you stand
Me?
over.
Who?
Don't make him come forward.
Watch out.
No, you leave your shoes on.
What's he doing? Pushing the boat from the
That's when
front?
they fish.
No, he's taking a rope so he'll go back.
Oh.
Nobody talk.
Now, whose birthday party is this here?
Whose birthday party, girls?
Stephanie and Sarah Beth.
Sarah Shamish.
Hey girls, where you all going?
All right, keep going.
How you doing
today? All right. Wait for Grandpa Zookie when you get up here.
Hey, you got 5 minutes for the bridge, John. John, you got 5 minutes for the bridge.
They're not scheduled.
Oh yes, after 3 o'clock.
Tim, come on, unhook us.
Yes.
And keep going.
Okay.
Some room for the rest of the girls. Wow. They all fit in one car?
No, we got two.
Okay.
Boy, look at this gang over here. I can't believe it.
Everybody turn around and wave for Grandpa Zucky. 10 round, girls. Wave for Grandpa Zucky. And the assistant. You have to get the
Wait, I didn't get everybody.
Right, how about assistant?